This is a BA Falcon radiator. I'm using this because it is full aluminium and it's cheap. It's only $204. But it's a little bit too wide to go between the chassis. So I'm gonna start with cutting this part off. And I'll probably have to cut a little bit off from this side as well, but there's another thing I have to do. I'm gonna have to modify this outlet a little bit, move it a little bit in, and probably angle it somewhere there. Cut off the sides, or corners probably I should say, and I think it'll fit now. Slightly higher than the original, but I think there should be room. He's gonna go probably something like that. It's gonna So here it is, mounted. So I cut out a little bit on both sides, re-welded this on a different angle to get it a bit further away from the chassis. And it fits perfectly, pretty well. I cut out small notches and just bent the edge back so it would fit the original bracket. And I'll probably have to cut off a little bit of this tin from somewhere there so I could get a bigger area here. But yeah, it fits really good.